Whether you're looking to save money on fuel or do your small part to save the environment, battery-powered lawn mowers are an easy way to do so without sacrificing function. Battery-powered mowers are cordless, don't use gasoline, and are typically best for small to medium-sized yards. There are a few important factors to consider when looking for the best battery-powered lawn mower, according to Nicole Durden, Senior Merchant of Outdoor Power at the Home Depot. Hello guys, today in this video we are going to help you find out the best lawn mower in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to see their price and out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 1. EGO Power Propelled Lawn Mower. We've chosen the EGO Power Plus LM2101 SP Cordless Lawn Mower as the best self-propelled push lawn mower because it is easy to use, thanks to a powerful self-propel feature that makes it perfect for small to medium-sized yards. Self-propelled mowers use the motor to propel the mower forward, which means it takes less of an effort on the user's part to cut the grass. During our testing, we noted that it may be ideal for those with limited strength or mobility since it doesn't require as much muscle use as other push mowers. It has 6 different height settings for lawn mower blades, which range from 1.5 inches to 4 inches. While testing, we found that it was simple to adjust the cutting height, the propelling speed, and the height of the handle with just one hand. It comes with LED lights, so if you are looking to beat the heat and mow your lawn before the sun rises or as it is setting, you will still be able to see what you're cutting. This lawn mower offers 60 minutes of run time on a single charge with a 56-volt 7.5Ah arc lithium battery. Number 2. Greenworks 40V. The Greenworks cordless lawn mower is our pick for the best battery-powered lawn mower for those on a budget. It has 5 height settings, mulching, and rear bagging capabilities. For a push mower, it's lightweight at 37.5 pounds, as light as our pick for best lightweight mower. Some lawn mowers on this list weigh as much as 66 pounds. With this mower, even though you have to do the work of pushing it around the yard, it makes the task much less difficult. It also has 5 height adjustments to choose from. This lawn mower can cut from 1.25 inches to 3.375 inches. When it comes to mowing, it's important to have a plan when it comes to handling your clippings, and this lawn mower offers options for both mulching and rear bagging. It even comes with a collection bag, should you choose to use it. Keep in mind that this battery-powered lawn mower only has 45 minutes of run time on a full charge. Its 16-inch deck width also means that you clip less grass per pass, so it could take longer to mow your yard. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER 40V Max. We chose the BLACK+DECKER cordless lawn mower because it is affordable, and it is only 38 pounds, which makes it easy to maneuver around your yard. The mower's technology also makes it simple to use as it determines the height of your grass and adjusts accordingly to increase power and preserve battery life. Because it's lightweight, it is also a pretty compact model, with handles that fold down to make storage simpler. Additionally, this model has carrying handles that make moving it easy. It's the best battery-powered lawn mower for people who need a mower that is lightweight and convenient to carry. This battery-powered lawn mower has plenty of practical features as well, and includes 6 cutting heights that range from 1 inch to 3 inches, and the single lever height adjustment is easy to use. It also has a 9.5-gallon grass bag, which is attached to the back of the mower. The bag is made of soft fabric with a hard top, and it's simple to check its capacity with a simple tap on the soft fabric. Number 4. Makita XML03CM1 36V. Our pick for best battery-powered lawn mower for small yards is the Makita brushless lawn mower. The Makita comes with 4 batteries, which power the mower for long enough to cut up to 0.33 acres of land in 43 minutes or less. It runs on 2 of those batteries at a time. Its brushless motor also allows you to cut grass faster at 2,500 to 3,300 rotations per minute. The batteries are equipped with battery overload, overheat, and over-discharge protection, which help to extend the battery life by shutting it down before damage can occur. Not looking to disturb your neighbors when you get up early to mow the lawn? The Makita brushless lawn mower has a quiet mode that reduces noise by providing constant speed control. With a single lever, you can adjust the height of the mower to 10 different heights. The deck width of this mower is 19 inches, so it can cut up to 19 inches across of grass per pass of the lawn mower. When it comes to your grass clippings, this lawn mower has a disposal bag that has a 16-gallon capacity. This means there isn't the option for mulching or side disposal. Number 5. WORX WG779.9 Mulching. We chose the BLACK+DECKER cordless lawn mower because it is affordable, and it is only 38 pounds, which makes it easy to maneuver around your yard. The mower's technology also makes it simple to use as it determines the height of your grass and adjusts accordingly to increase power and preserve battery life. Because it's lightweight, it is also a pretty compact model, with handles that fold down to make storage simpler. Additionally, this model has carrying handles that make moving it easy. It's the best battery-powered lawn mower for people who need a mower that is lightweight and convenient to carry. This battery-powered lawn mower has plenty of practical features as well, and includes 6 cutting heights that range from 1 inch to 3 inches, and the single lever height adjustment is easy to use. In conclusion, a reliable lawn mower is indispensable for maintaining a pristine yard. Investing in a quality mower ensures efficient grass cutting, saving time and effort. Whether it's a gas-powered workhorse or an eco-friendly electric model, keeping your lawn well manicured becomes a breeze. Embrace the power and convenience of a top-notch lawn mower, and revel in the beauty of your meticulously trimmed outdoor haven.